Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to fix HP freezing laptop after sleep, shutdown, Hibernate, and Windows 10. You must log into Windows using administrator account, otherwise settings will be shown differently. Step 1. Power management. Go to Windows search. Type device manager. Expand system devices. Right-click on Intel Management System Interface. Choose Properties. Select tab Power Management. This tab will only show to the Windows administrator, so you must log in Windows by using administrator account. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn this off to save power. Step 2. Disable Fastboot. Go to Windows search. Type Edit Power Plan. Click on Power option. Click on. Choose what closing the lid does. Click on. Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck. Turn on Fast Startup, recommended. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.